citizens of the United States. This is a message from Anonymous. This is a message to the 99%. This is a message to what is becoming the American autumn. This is a message to the whispers of revolution beginning to stir in every major American city, and in the heart of every afflicted member of the youth. It is becoming obvious that due to certain technical difficulties the revolution will not be televised. It will not be broadcasted. This is quite alright, media, you serpents of the elite, for we will go under you. We will go around you. We will go over you. And we will go beyond you. You no longer control the floodgates. The era of the internet has arrived, and it will consume you. This movement will be downloaded. It will be streamed. It will be circulated. And it will spread like a wildfire. Without direction. Unpredictable. Vast and devastating. Look around you, America, the leaves are beginning to sour, cracks are appearing in them. They are falling from the branches, dead and rotting. So are our politicians. So are our banks. So is our media, and so is our society. This country has never seen a movement from our generation. They have never seen a movement from the children of the internet. They haven't the slightest clue what we are capable of, we masters of information, we conductors of thought. The tipping point has arrived. We have reached critical mass. This is the point of no return. Carry this movement through the winter. Carry this movement through the bitter cold and into spring. Shake off your morning dew, youth, for ye are many, they are few. Washington. We have no bombs. We have no weapons. We have no threats, but behold the power of the quill and ink. Members of the military. You took an oath to defend this country from enemies both foreign and domestic. Walk with us, among us, as one of us. Unions. You have a score to settle. Walk with us, among us as one of us. Artists. Move the movement. Stoke the flames. We are all the 99%. We are all anonymous. We are all legion. We will never forget. We will not forgive. Expect us.